Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about user defined modules in Python. So in the previous class I have discussed about module and predefined modules. Okay, so in this particular video I am going to discuss about user defined modules. So we all know module. Module is nothing but collection of functions, variables and classes. So all the collection of functions or variables or classes into a file, that file is known as module. Okay, so module is nothing but a file, Python file, which contains all the variables, classes and functions. Okay, so the modules that are defined by the programmer, the modules that are defined by the user or programmer is known as user defined modules. For example, module 1, module 2, up to you can create module n. Okay, so you can create n number of modules. So if you want to create user defined modules in Python, then you should follow the following steps. Okay, so if you want to create user defined modules, you can follow these steps. Okay, so Python provides some inbuilt modules. Those are known as math and random. So I have discussed in the previous class. These two are known as predefined modules. Okay, so let's see. The first we need to create a file. Okay, so Python file. So the Python file contains the extension that is .py. C contain .c, Java contain .java, as well as Python contain that py extension. Okay, so whatever the file which contains a .py extension, which is called module, but that file must contain variables, classes or functions. Okay, because module is a collection of variables, classes and functions. So Python file must contains this. Okay, so see the example here. The Python file, Python program is x is equals to 900. So here x is a variable, the value is 900 is stored in x. Okay, so some memory is allocated and 900 is stored in x. Next, I am defining one function. So we all know how to define one function. Def, function name and parameters. So here def is a keyword, sum is a function name and a comma b are parameters. Okay, so next, print sum is equals to a plus b. So in the next line, def product. So here product is one more function. Okay, another function. It contains two parameters. Those are a comma b. So next here the implementation is print product is equals to a into b. So here the module contains one variables and two functions. Okay, this is known as module. Okay, so here the above add mul.py. So add mul.py is the file name. So here add mul.py module consists one variable that is x and two functions. Those are sum and product. So it contains two functions and one variable. Okay. So next, if you want to use the module in our program, then this can be done with the help of import keyword. Okay, so import keyword is used to include the functions and variables of one module to another program. Okay, so if you want to use these variables and some function and product function in some other program, then you need to import this module. Okay, because this module contains the variables and functions. So if you import this module into your Python program, then you can access the variables and functions of addmul file. Okay, addmul module. So let's see. So here if you need to import by using import keyword, so import Module name is the syntax. Okay, so here import is a keyword. Module name is used to define the name of module. Import the file name. Module name is, so in the previous slide the module name is addmul. Okay, so you need to use addmul. Import addmul. Okay, so next we can access the members by using the module name as follows. Okay, so if you want to access the functions or variables of one module into your Python program, you need to use the syntax as follows. Okay, so module name dot variable. So here the module name is addmul. Okay, so addmul, and variable name is x. Okay, so next module name dot function name and parameter list. Okay, so here addmul is the module name, dot function name is sum. You can use product as well. Okay, so I'm using only function sum. Okay, sum, and passing parameters, those are 10 comma 50. Okay, so let's see the program. Here the example program. So first we are importing import addmul. So addmul program contain one variable x, that is 900, and it contains two functions. One is sum and another one is product. So sum function contains a comma b parameters, and also product contain a comma b parameters. So if you call the function sum, it will print a plus b. If you call the function product, it will print a into b. Okay, so let's see. Here I am importing these program into our program. Okay, into another program. So this is module contains variables and functions. So I want to use these variable and these functions in our program, in my program. So that's why I'm importing addmul module. Print addmul.x. So addmul is the file name, module name. So you need to use the variable or functions by using module name. So that's why addmul.x. So x contain in addmul function, so it will print x value, that is 900. Next, addmul.sum. So I am calling sum function, that function present in addmul file. So the calling is done, and 10 is passed to a and 5 is passed to b. So here a value is 10, b value is 5. 10 plus 5, 15. The sum will be displayed. So after that I am calling product function, that will also present in addmul. So now the parameters are 10 comma 5. 10 will be stored in a and 5 will be stored in b. A into b, that is 10 into 5, that is 50. So you can access variables, functions or classes of one Python file to another Python file by using module concept. For that you need to import the module by using import keyword. Okay, import addmul. Okay, so next, if you want to rename a module, so here the module name is addmul. Okay, so if you want to rename the module at the time of import, then it is as follows. Then you need to use the following syntax. So if you observe, if you import like this addmul, so whenever you are using variables or functions or classes of addmul function, you need to use addmul dot function. So for this purpose you can use rename, you can access the rename. So here the syntax is import old name as new name. Okay, so here import old name is addmul, as means alias, so we are renaming addmul as a. So here the addmul is replaced with a, so we are renaming addmul as a. So see the example, import addmul as a. So you can use print a.x and a.sum, a.product. Okay, so this is for our convenience. Okay, So it will print 900 and next 15, and after that 50 will be displayed. Same output will be displayed, but we are changing the name of module. Okay. So, and if you want to access the members directly without using module name. Okay. So I don't want to use a dot admul dot every time. Okay, so I want to access members directly without using module name. Then this can be done with the help of from import. Okay, from import. So here the syntax is from module name import m1 comma m2. So these m1 comma m2 may be functions, maybe variables, maybe classes. Okay. So see this, from module name is add mul. So from add mul import x. So I am importing variable x, some function and product function. So now you can access directly the variables, print x, sum of 10 comma 20, product of 10 comma 20, like this. So without using a dot or add mul dot, without using module name, you can access the members directly with the help of from import. From module name import the members. Okay, so in this way you can access. So here the example, from add mul import star. So here star means all. So whatever the variables, classes, functions present in add mul, I want to access all the variables, all the functions, all the modules. So in this way you can use from addmul import star. Star is nothing but all. So if you want to access only x, you can specify x. If you want to access only sum, you can specify sum. But I want to access all the variables, functions and classes. So that's why from addmul import star. Okay. So if you print like this, the values will be displayed 900, 15 and 50. Same output will be displayed. So here there are many number of ways to access the classes, functions and module, access the functions, variables and classes of one Python file to another Python file by using modules concept. So these are all user defined modules. So in this way we can access the variables, functions and classes by using user defined modules. So I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.